Hello everybody, welcome to the session 2 and the first video of session 2. Let me first give you an overview of the previous section, that what we created and what we learned in previous section. First of all, we created a simple page for displaying the search engine, the search box where users can search something or can search their queries. After that, we created a database or inside MySQL databases called search, and inside that database we created a table called sites, and for inserting data into this table we created a page called insert_site.php. This is the form you can see in previous section we created, and we inserted some data by using this simple inserting inserting page. So you can see the details are here, the website details. We have a site ID, site title, site link, site keyword, description, and image names are here, are saving in this last field, last column of this. In the auto increment, the ID is auto increment, so the record which is coming over here is incremented automatically. Now what we need to do is, actually when someone will search here in this engine, so we need to display this data inside the table to the users. Okay, so we can also go to my computer C colon, and there is a folder XAMPP inside which the htdocs is there, and our main folder search engine is over here. You can click, there is a folder images, so the images are coming here. Basically when we are inserting some data using this insert page, so the name, the text data, the string data is going to this table, including the image name, which we are saving here because later on when we will be displaying the results back on this page, so we will need the names of these images, and we will insert those images from here, but as a reference we will call the image name. So the same image will be displaying with the same row or the same website or the result. So now what we need to actually do is, the first thing is which is to make this procedure a little bit more easier, and make a shortcut of this folder on our desktop, because we cannot go again and again to my computer and then C and then XAMPP and then htdocs. So why not we just create a shortcut of this folder on our desktop? So the actual folder will be here and the shortcut will be on our desktop, so we can easily access this folder on our desktop. So just right click it. This is a quick tip before starting over this section, and send it to desktop is a shortcut. Now just close it whenever you will need it, so just click it, it will be opening in a separate window. We have created 2 pages so far. The first one is just a simple page, search.html, for displaying this simple search box to the users. In the second page that we created is insert_site.php, which is having some HTML codes, a table, a form, and after that we just created a PHP script to upload the data into the database and move the images into our folder called images. You can see here we used a function move uploaded file, and with a temporary name site image, which we are getting from this line, from this one, and we are saving that inside the images folder, and the image name is this one, which is coming in the variable, from this variable. And also we inserted this all details into our table here. You can see now we can add some more data to the table, so we can then display all the data when someone will search over here. Just go to this folder. First of all, I will just search something on Google, beauty tips for example. So 5 websites that we are having here. This is a website, this is another website. Just we will add 3 websites. This is the URL of the website. I just copied it, will paste it into site link, and the title will be this one, beauty tips in Urdu. And site keywords, the site keywords will be beauty tips, beautiful girls, beauty on roads, something like that. And the description we will get from here, Google's page just for testing purpose. Paste it over here. An image I will choose from my computer. Just for example, this Selena Gooms. Now when you click insert new site, you are just having this pop-up saying data inserted into table. Now go and check again, just click browse in the table, and you are seeing the result is incremented 7 number ID, and this is the title and the link and other things. Now we will close it, copy the another URL of website, paste it inside the site link, and then come over here, or you can write by yourself, but no, just let me write by myself. Beauty tips and tricks for women. In the same, beauty tips will be the keyword, and I will copy the description from search page here on Google, paste it over here, and picture I will insert from my computer just for testing purpose, just letting you know that how to insert data into the database. This is the picture, site. This is another. You can also find the images over here. If I go to this folder search engine, which is inside htdocs, but we have created a shortcut of that images. So you are seeing here is the image, and this is another image just we inserted right before few seconds, for fashion articles or for fashion sites. So this is the last one we'll first copy its title, the site link into site link, and after that we'll find a title, beauty tips. This is the title. We'll add something more, beauty tips and tricks. Keyword would be the same, beauty tips, beautiful girls, etc. And we can take the description from Google. In the image I will add from my own computer, local computer. From here, image will be this one. Now just add site. So we have inserted 3 more details, 3 more websites into our table. All of the data is here now. You can see result number 8, and the images name, as well as images are coming into this folder, images inside the search engine main root folder. So now whenever someone will search in this search engine, for example SEO tips, search now, so the person will be going to the result.php page, which you can see in the browser address bar, but there is no page because we have not created any page. We can create it just by Control N in our text editor notepad, and just insert doc type HTML, the single tag for HTML5 extension, and after the normal structure of HTML like head tag and then title tag. We will see result page and title, close, head, close, and we will insert the body tag, and then we'll close the body tag below here, and after that the HTML tag will be closed. Control S to save it inside the search engine, the same folder, and name it results.php. You can see here results.php. Save, And now if you refresh this page again and write something, tips or anything, click search now. So oh sorry, there is result, only result, not results. So we can rename the page again. Here this is results, so we'll just remove the S, and after that we'll write again, search again. Now we are going to a blank page, result.php, which we have just created. You can see this one. So this is the result page, very simple. In next video we will be working on this page, because we need to recall the data from the database and show to the users on the next page, results.php, result.php. when someone will search some keywords or something in a query, so when he will click search now, so we'll be going to next page, result.php, where we need to show the relevant result. So I'm coming in the next tutorial.